Hi, I am presenting a poster that is explaining the concept of a project that we are working on at UTSA since summer 2019 and that explores the impact of supergreenhouse conditions on shallow marine carbonate production in the Cretaceous. We are looking at a time period that is dated as far back as 120 million years ago, the Aptian stage. And this is a period of time marked by very high carbon dioxide content in the atmosphere, 5 times higher than modern day. At that time, there were a lot of shallow marine carbonate systems, rift if you want, that were producing carbonates using bivalves, corals, or algae here in blue. In different locations, Portugal, France, Switzerland, Croatia, and Oman, those production evolved either toward another type of production in green here with suspension feeder, or some bacterial activity in purple, or they died in red. So with this project, we want to explore locations located in France, in Italy, and in Oman to test the hypothesis that climate change and eventually the amount of aridity and continental weathering control the resilience of those ecosystems during these supergreenhouse conditions. So we performed field work in one region of France, and these are our results, one part of the results of one location where we have this healthy carbonate platform in blue with corals, with rhodis, with bivalve that evolved into an association that is more specialized to resist, to enhance greenhouse conditions here in green with crinoids that feed from the suspension in the water with some bivalve or with some ooids. In the next couple of months, we hope to isolate some of those bivalve shell, polish them, cut them, and microsample them to test for their to test how pristine they are, to eventually derive paleotemperature of the seawater at time of crystallization. We will also monitor the geochemistry of the rocks to have an idea of the chemistry of the seawater in order to test how much continental input, nutrient supply controlled the resilience once again and the style of carbonate production during this Aptian period of the Cretaceous time. Thank you very much. And if you have more questions, tune in for the Q&A on September 4th.